Welcome back to Coordinate Geometry, Part 2, where we're going to look at distance between 2 points and the slope of a line. So let's get started. First we're going to look at the distance between 2 points and how it relates to science and a speeding car. So, for example, let's consider a car moving off from rest, and this graph represents that car. On the x-axis we have time, and on the y-axis we have distance in meters. For every second that passes, the car moves 1 meter. But we're interested in the distance between some of these points. So let's find the distance between 2 points. Let's take point B and point F, ensuring we label them x1, y1, x2, y2, the distance between B and F. Now, I think it's time we took a look at our formula. So, using the information provided, we have our points. Now, we have our formula. To solve for D equals the square root of x2 minus x1 to be squared plus y2 minus y1 to be squared. We put our values we've labelled into the formula and we solve for D. Another quick look at what we did. We used our formula D, we labelled our points B and F, and we solved the formula to get the length of the line segment BF. Now, I think it's time you had a try. Using the information provided, find the length of the line segments below. And for extra marks, how do you think the car is moving? Is it speeding up, slowing down, or moving at a steady pace? Let's find the slope of the line segment BF. Again, labelling our point BF and using the formula slope equals rise over run. To use the slope equation, we need to know what the rise and the run are. The rise equals y2 minus y1, the vertical axis. The run equals x2 minus x1, the horizontal axis. We need to make sure to label our points B and F. Now, let's solve our equation. The slope equals rise over run, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is going to equal 5 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1, which will lead to 4 divided by 4, which equals 1. You can tell by now I like practice. So, it's your turn. Find the slope of the line using the information provided. Remember, you can use any 2 points to find the slope of the line. Let's recap on our intended learning outcomes. We now understand Cartesian format, we can plot points on a graph using standard notation and procedure, and we can find the midpoint, distance and slope of a line segment, relating this to cross-curricular themes. I'd like to thank you for your attention today. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Created using Powtoon.